So the purpose of this video is to look at how to use a system of linear equations to write an equation of any line in slope-intercept form given 2 points. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So we can use this format to create a system of 2 equations that will help us find the m and b values. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the first point listed, 14, negative 14, and plug those values into the x and y in slope-intercept form to create one of the equations. So the first equation is going to be negative 14 equals m times x. X is 14, so 14 times m plus b. The second equation will be created in the same way to get with the second point, negative 21, 6. So we'll get 6 equals negative 21m plus b. Now this is a system because the slope and the intercept, m and b, have to be the same in both equations. So to solve this, we can use elimination since the b values are the same. So we will subtract the equations from each other to eliminate the b. So here we go. Subtract. So here we go. Negative 14 minus 6 is negative 20. That should equal 14 minus negative 21 is really 14 plus 21. And so using our calculators, we get 14 plus 21 is 35. So that's 35m. And b minus b cancels. So we get this system solved down to here, and then we're going to solve for m by dividing both sides by 35. So we get negative 20 divided by 35, which reduces to giving me an answer of negative 4/7. And that should equal my m value. And then once I have m in any system, we're going to go back and plug these values in to solve. So we get negative 14 equals 14 times n, which we got as to be negative 4/7 plus b, and we'll solve for b. So we'll first multiply 14 times negative 4/7. The negative 14 stays here. Negative times a positive is negative. 7 goes into 14 twice. We can cancel those out. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And what do we add to negative 8 to get negative 14? Well, that is negative 6. So b is 6. And so my answer is y equals negative 4/7 times x minus 6. All right, let's try one more. Okay, so find the equation of this line that goes through negative 2, negative 1, and 20, negative 47. So again, same setup. So take the first point, plug their values into x and y in slope-intercept form. And the same thing with the second point. Next, we will eliminate by subtracting the equations from each other. So I get negative 2 minus negative 47. Well, that is 45. Negative 1 minus 20 is negative 21m. And the b's cancel. So divide by negative 21. And I get that m is negative 15/7. Okay. Now I have that, so we're going to plug this back in to the first equation. We get negative 15/7 plus b. And so negative times a negative cancels, so we get positive 15/7. Okay, so the next thing we do is we got to subtract the negative 15/7 over. So we're going to think about negative 2, little side over here. Negative 2 is really negative 14 over 7. So we're actually going to subtract from negative 14 sevenths, negative 15 sevenths. So negative 14 minus negative 15 is negative 29. So my b value should be negative 29 over 7. And so my solution should be negative 15 over 7x minus 29 over 7. So hopefully this gives you another option for finding equations to lines given 2 points. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like it by clicking the thumbs up button below this video. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.